The sun is going down. The big house is getting ready to sleep. It looks safe, but is it?
Goodbye, my dear children.
Remember to lock the door.
We will return tomorrow.
Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, Mom. We will be careful.
Mom and Dad drive away. Bye-bye. Now the street is empty. The wind blows the leaves. Whoosh. The house is all alone now. It is big and dark. Tom tries to lock the door. But wait, it didn't lock all the way. The door is still open.
The house feels quiet now.
Yes, very quiet tonight.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. The clock is loud. The rooms are empty. Tom is bored. Emily looks out the window into the dark night.
Someone is outside.
Pizza delivery for number 42.
I am coming. Please wait.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you very much. Wow, it smells amazing. Let us eat together in the living room.
Yay! Pizza time!
Tomatoes and sauce inside. It looks delicious.
It is warm and cozy inside. The scary dark feels far away now. But look outside. Behind the bushes, someone is hiding.
This house looks empty.
Perfect time. Perfect time for treasures.
I am so hungry. Me too, Tom. This pizza tastes great.
No one is watching me.
Parents know us well.
Today feels lucky.
Yes, very lucky. Many snacks in the kitchen.
They think they are lucky. But the bad guy found the back door. And remember, it is not locked. He is inside. He is looking through the drawers.
I will take some and maybe jewelry.
The kids don't know he is there yet.
I feel thirsty now. I will get juice.
Please bring water too.
Okay, sure. Okay, stay here.
Emily walks to the kitchen. But Tom sees something on the floor. On the floor. Look closely.
These shoe marks look strange. Mom cleaned earlier.
These are not Dad's. Oh no, someone entered. I forgot to lock the doors. I must warn Emily. Emily, listen carefully.
What is wrong, Tom?
Shh, I heard something outside.
What did you hear?
Footsteps. A thief is inside.
I am scared.
Stay calm, please. What should we do? There has to be a spot somewhere. Maybe under the counter? We will hide safely.
Did you hear that? Footsteps upstairs. He is right above them.
I will go upstairs. More valuable things there.
He is upstairs now. I will call the police.
Please hurry, Tom.
Quick, run to the closet. Shh, don't make a sound.
Hello? Police, please. A thief is inside.
Stay safe and hidden. We are coming now.
Police are coming. Let us hide quickly.
This room is safe. Did you lock the door?
I'll check. Yes, it is locked.
Good. I feel safer.
Where is the money? Where is the money? Jewelry and cash here. Lucky night for me.
The bad guy is busy taking jewelry. He is greedy. He doesn't hear the sirens coming. Look, blue and red lights. The police are here to save the day.
This is the police!
Police are here. I must escape.
The thief is scared now. He runs down the stairs. Run, run, run!
I hear footsteps. Stay very quiet. Come outside now.
I surrender. I surrender!
Hands up slowly.
Gotcha. The police put handcuffs on him.
Okay, I obey. Against the wall. Now. Yes, sir. Don't move.
The bad guy is caught.
It's okay. You're safe now.
Who are you?
Are we safe?
Kids, it's safe. We caught him.
Emily, they caught him. We are safe now.
You did well.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome, Tom. Stay safe.
Thank you for saving us.
You're very welcome, young lady. Hiding was smart. Traps are not safe. I understand now. This bag is yours.
Thank you very much. We will call parents. They will return soon.
I will lock doors always.
Me too, Emily.
Unit 12, what's your status? Over.
On scene, standing by. Over.
Tom and Emily wait outside. The flashing lights look cool now, not scary. Wait, do you see headlights? It's Mom and Dad. They drove home so fast. Big hugs. Everyone is crying happy tears. The family is together again.
Come here, everyone.
We're all together.
This is the best!
My brave children.
We are so proud.
We were very scared.
I know, sweetie. It's okay. It is okay. Now you are safe.
But we stayed calm.
Yes, you did. I'm proud of you. Everything is safe now. The doors are locked tight.
Dad checks the lock. Click, clack. Now it is locked tight. Everyone drinks hot cocoa. Yummy. It is warm inside the house again. The house is quiet. The thief is gone.
Good night, Emily.
Be brave, stay calm, and always check the lock. Good night.